In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aweber for email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to get into your account, collect subscribers, design great emails, and track what's working so you can grow with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Look for the official site in the results, then click through. Once you're on the homepage, select Sign In. Use your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're ever unsure you're on the right page, check for the secure padlock in your address bar and the official domain before entering any details. Inside your account, begin building your audience with sign-up forms. Use the sign-up form builder to create a simple, clean form that captures names and email addresses. Keep the number of fields minimal to improve completion rates, then copy the embed code and add it to your website or blog so new subscribers flow straight into your list. If you don't have a website or you want a focused place for a specific offer, use the landing page builder. Choose a template, customize the headline, visuals, and call to action, and make sure the page looks great on mobile. This is perfect for promoting a free ebook, checklist, or webinar registration. Already have subscribers elsewhere? Import them by uploading a CSV or TXT file. Map the columns to the right fields, like name and email, and review your list carefully. Only import contacts who have clearly opted in, so you stay compliant and protect deliverability. Next, set up an automated welcome series. In automations, use the on-subscribe trigger to send a warm welcome email the moment someone joins. Introduce your brand, share what to expect, and include one helpful resource or next step so new subscribers know where to go first. When you're ready to design campaigns, use the drag-and-drop editor. Add text, images, buttons, and dividers without touching code. Keep paragraphs scannable. Use clear button labels like "Get the Guide," and always preview and test before sending. Make your messages more relevant with segmentation. Divide your list into groups based on interests or behavior, such as new leads versus repeat customers, so each audience receives the content most likely to help them act. If you're on a paid plan, try A/B testing. Send 2 subject lines or content variations to a small portion of your list, then send the winner to everyone else to boost performance. Finally, open the reporting dashboards to review opens, clicks, and conversions. Use these insights to refine your subject lines, timing, content, and offers. That's how you build a consistent, effective email marketing system with Aweber.